Hey, what's crack-a-lackin' YouTube fam? Hey, check it out. This is Steven with Ever Hobbies and More, and I got a tech video today or tonight, whenever you guys watch this. As of right now, it's today. So yeah, so check it out. I got a filthy PS3, but yeah, I picked this sucker up on the cheap. You guys want to guess how much I paid for it? Maybe I'll give you guys a few seconds. Maybe write it in the comments down. Ready? You ready? $15. Yep, and it does power on. So that's a plus. So I thought for the price, I was a super steal. And I got this one at my local swap meet. It's pretty nasty though. It's really dirty. So today's video, you wanna guess what I'm gonna do with it? I'm gonna clean it up. That's right, I'm gonna open it up, deep clean it, and see if I can get the disk drive to eject. Like I said, I tested it before I got home, plugged it in. I want to make sure it works like the guy said it did. So it does power on. The eject button doesn't work, so I'm not sure if that's an issue with the disk drive or the front panel here. Now I've never worked on a PS3 before, so this is gonna be a first for me. I've done an original PlayStation. I've opened it up, cleaned it up. PS2, I've done a couple PS2s actually. This is gonna be interesting and cool learning experience. So if you guys already done one of these before, and maybe you've tore one down and opened it up, and you got any advice or tips, you can go ahead and leave them, drop them in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to go ahead and read them and soak up all that knowledge you guys got. So yeah, and so this is the old, the original, the fat PS3. So unfortunately, it is not the model that does backwards compatibility, or sorry, that has backward compatibility with the PS2 disc, which kind of sucks. Obviously, when I picked it up, I wasn't too sure which. I know the very first gen of these ones had the backwards compatibility. Sorry, and then they did a second version, I believe, of this fat PS3, which is this one, that did not support backwards compatibility. So that kind of sucks, but hey, it's all good for the price. Yeah, I can't complain. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and open this sucker up, clean it up, and see if I can get it to looking spanking new. Hopefully I can. But yeah, and like I said, I picked it up at a swap meet. Great price if you guys are looking to maybe do something like this yourself, a restoration project, or maybe in your childhood, or in your adulthood, you had a PS3 at one point and it brings back some good memories, and maybe you want to revisit those memories. Hit up the local swap meets, garage sales. That would be probably your best bet if you want to get a good price on one of these, because right now the market for retro stuff is pretty inflated. So you can go on eBay, go online and find something, but the prices are going to be pretty hefty. It's just if you guys want to get in this market, it's kind of rough finding good prices for these older consoles. Unfortunately, they are in high demand. A lot of people love retro gaming and all this older stuff. So just keep that in mind if you guys are thinking about doing something like this yourself. Maybe not to restore it, but hey, just wipe it down on the outside and pop in some old games and play. So yeah, so today's video, restore. See if I can get the disc to eject, because I did put one in there. Unfortunately, I, like an idiot, I had my San Andreas disc kind of around, because I did my PS2 restoration, right? Unfortunately I didn't video that. I should have got some footage of that. Maybe at the end of this video I'll put some pictures on there so you guys can see it. But yeah, I popped it in there just to see if it'll read the disc, and it sucked it in, but it didn't want to shoot it back out. So I definitely got to get that disc back. So yeah, that's gonna be today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and make sure that you definitely hit that like and subscribe, because it will help out my channel. Like I said, I'm a very small channel. I do everything out of my own pocket. There's no sponsorships here or anything like that. So yeah, all right guys, let's get to it. So we voided the warranty. Long. Yep.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's up guys? Hey, so that's it for today's video. As you can see, it was a lot. It was extremely filthy and grodies. I still have a lot of cleaning to do. As you can see, I got everything. I don't know if you can see, it might be too dark, but everything's taken apart. I got some more stuff right here, as you can see. Sorry for the bad footage here. I mean, you know, there's still, it still needs a lot of work. Needs a lot of work. So I'm definitely gonna do this in 2 parts, maybe 3, depends. But yeah, that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned, because the next video will drop as soon as I get a chance. I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.